back with another video. So yesterday I shot with Creative Soul and LaChanda did my hair, and I am literally like in love with it. So I want to have my hair like this as long as possible. So today I'm going to be showing you my night routine of how I maintain my hair and face. Let's get started. So here we have my hair tea. So in this it's my hair tea, and a little bit, and not a little bit, but half of it is hair tea, and half of it is aloe vera juice. And then for my face, but then it's the same thing, but it does not have peppermint oil because, you know, like when you put it on, if it gets in your eyes, it's gonna like burn your eyes, and I don't like my eyes burning, you know, I don't want that. Okay, so here we have the coffee cream latte tallow. It's very good for your scalp. And this is good for my ends, and it also smells very good, you know. It is the Violet and James collection. 7 Tonight's cool, right? Okay, and you know, like, it's very good, you know, it's good for my end, it smells very good. Yeah. And this is for my face, you know, it's gotta keep it moisturized. It is the Violet's collection, the Dreamsicles, you know. It's like an icicle, but then dreams, you know. You know, it smells good. It smells like Dreamsicles, you know. It's like a big dream, you know. All of this stuff that I just showed you is beef tallow, and it's good for your scalp, your hair, and your skin. And today we have a special guest. It's the hair steamer. So now that we're done, my scalp feels like so moisturized right now, and the peppermint from here that my mom sprayed, it like makes it like nice and like fresh, and my ends are like nice and soft, you know, like they smell good too. And so does my face, you know, because the steam was like a nice refreshing spa day at home for my face. Okay, so now I'm going to be using the spray to spray on my face, you know, just to give it some more moisture. Okay, should be enough. Alright, so now I'm going to be tying my hair up. Okay, I'm going to tie my hair up so it's nice and moisturized for when I get up. Okay, now I'm going to dream about some Dreamsicle. Good morning, guys. Okay, so let's get started.